Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a CAD. First, navigate to the CAD website and sign up for a free account. You can choose to start with a blank canvas or select from over 100 pre-designed templates. CAD is perfect for creating a simple, one-page site, whether it's for a personal profile, a landing page, or a portfolio. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to get your site online quickly. Once you've selected your starting point, it's time to customize. CAD offers a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to add elements like text, images, and videos. You have full control over fonts, colors, and background styles to ensure your site reflects your unique vision. Organize your content using sections to maintain a clean and professional layout, even on a single page. To make your CAD more interactive, you can easily add various elements. Include contact forms, call-to-action buttons, and links to your social media profiles. CAD also allows you to embed external content, such as music players or interactive maps, directly onto your page. Remember to check the responsive design settings to ensure your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. When your CAD is complete, it's time to publish. You can launch your site using a free CAD. Co-subdomain or connect your own custom domain for a more professional look. Before going live, take a moment to preview your site on different devices to ensure everything is perfect. Once published, share your new one-page website across all your social media and professional platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.